I ended up needing a lawyer when I had to file a temporary protection order against my then husband, and I was recommended to the Edwards Law Group by the people in the Cobb County. I had to suddenly flee my home one night, and so my life kind of exploded unexpectedly. And then in about a week that followed, it became apparent that my then husband was, he began to threaten me. And that evening that we fled, my two adult children and I, who were down visiting me, he put hands on my son. And based on that, and then the threats, it became apparent that I had to file a protection order. And then I knew that the family was broken, and I was so afraid of him after that. I knew that there was no going back. And so after I met Joy and she helped me with the TPO hearings, I knew I wanted her to represent me in the divorce. You know, Joy Edwards at the Edwards Law Group really helped me with what my options were as far as what was legally available to me from a divorce standpoint, because I didn't know what the law was, what I was entitled to, and I just wanted out. I just wanted away from the situation. I wanted to make sure my kids were safe and my family was safe. And so I really was so grateful to have someone like Joy and her team. I can't speak enough about the quality of her team that got me through all this with my sanity intact. You know, I appreciated the way they took care of me. I appreciated how kind they were to me. And I appreciate their strength and their compassion and the way they fought for me. I don't know how I would have gotten through these past 15 months without Joy Edwards and her team handling my divorce situation in all its complexities. I mean, it would have been handled, but I don't think it would have been handled nearly as well as it has been, just due to Joy's expertise and experience. If you're in an abusive situation, whether it's physical or verbal or emotional, the first thing is get safe. The second thing is to find out what your options are. And because once you know what your options are, then you can make an informed choice. And you know, the old saw, knowledge is power. That's really, really true. And it will help calm your mind and lower the fear. And then you can make some decisions that'll give you some clarity. And to do that, it's really helpful to talk to someone who knows what your options are and knows how to get them executed.